Today we will learn how to check the register with a multimeter. So friends, today my chapter is Medal 1 part 3 of chapter 2. We have a multimeter. First of all, what range we have to select in this? We have to select OMS. See, this symbol is showing here. You know this symbol, which is the symbol of ohms, only from this symbol of ohms. If you can check the register, then friends, here I have the motherboard. Here you can see in the motherboard here I have explained to you in the previous video what this is, which register is. This is our register network register. One register is formed by joining 4 registers. Guys, how do we check this? So first of all, let me look at this multimeter here. By setting it here, I will show you what is our set probe and black probe. What are these two probes? Whichever side is ours, this side will also remain. Even then it will show us the range. See here, the range is also showing here, and this side will also remain. Even then we will see the range here. So friends, how can we check it? Whether we check it from this side or from this side, we can check from any direction. So friends, here I show you its value. Here you can see its value, which is our 822. Here you can see the value is our 822. You had shown you in the previous video how to calculate it. Now 820 is showing us. So how will you calculate it? So let us go to the mobile. Friends, here you can see I have an application. We will do its calculation from this application. Then we can read its name here and press register SMDD. And after pressing, you are seeing the register and the number is visible here. So friends, now what will we do with it? If it was 822, what would we do? I put 8 and I will put 22. Now like our register of number 822, put it, and here we will click on calculate. As soon as you click on calculate, so here we are doing our show of 8.2 kg ohms. Now when we check in multimeter, what should we show in multimeter? 8.2 should be shown in 8.2. So friends, now go to the motherboard. Friends, here we have come medium bound. Now like this register is of 822, this network register is of 822. So if we took out the calculation of this, how much was the calculation coming? The calculation was coming to us 8.2. So let's go friends, now we will check this according to the calculation in the multimeter. So from which side do I touch the multimeter? So how much is showing you here? 8.0 right here, showing 8.0 means not. 8.2 is 8.0. Sometimes what happens is that some of the registers, which is our uses, some of its homes, which is become a little too little or more. So if it is a matter of some points, then there is no problem. But if as soon as it is a matter of more points, then it has to be replaced. If we have to replace it, it is showing 8.2 here. Similarly, if we will check on the second register on the second pin, then here if I zoom in, then if we will check on this second pin, then see here 8.0. This side of this is also showing 820. 8.0 is showing the side of this, and we will check on this side. At point 0 is showing here too, then go to him. At point 0 is also showing on his side, means what's going on here? At point 2 is not showing, meaning if at point is showing 0, then we have no issue. Now if we take it out and check, then it may be that it is installed in the motherboard, so it is not showing. Sometimes we have to take it out. You can also take it out and see it, so maybe it will show you the accuracy. So let us now move on to the other register. Here is a single register. The number of this is ours is 303. So friends, had I shown you the calculation of this too, I also told you how to do manual calculation last time. So how do you guys calculate it? Are you going to use your mobile phone again? We will remove the application and we will clear it from here. Nothing is coming here after being cleared from here. Now what was our number showing here? It was showing 303. So friends, here is 303. Now we will click on calculate it. Then after it is calculated, see how much is showing here. 30 means 30 ohms is showing here. So here if we will check this register, if I check what is showing in the multimeter, friends, 29.8 means this is our register. Okay, then in the same way we will check the register. If there is a glitch in it, if the number is coming too much, then we change that register and fix the motherboard by installing a new register or OK register. Then friends, this video was our testing of register. The next video that will come is our very informative video. Watch the video, watch the series and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the next video.